the Van Buren Street Pedway. Look at this. We have a very crusty Dover Impulse. Oh boy. Wow. This is really nasty. Look at that button. Somehow that lantern still works. It's a Dover. Indicator is completely burned out. There's a friend in the corner. But all I have to say is, wow, this is probably the most crusty Impulse I've ever seen in my life. It's an 80s one too. We have a speaker in here that can play music. We'll end up at S. Wow, that's all I have to say. I'm gonna get some bright lights flashing in my face, but that's alright. Alright, that's it.